guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are at the Manchester Road level crossing in Mooroolbark, one of Melbourne's most dangerous level crossings, and it is also the only crossing with a Safetran Type 3, which is over on that signal, that was installed as part of the upgrade for level crossing removal. So about to see a train here. Alright, so I'm going to do a crossing tour as best as I can. This is after it's been upgraded, like ready for level crossing removal. Over there we have a black with white writing stop on red signal sign, a Westinghouse crossarm, two marked Westinghouse LED lights, and a 2-track sign with a crossbuck. On the top we have a Westinghouse crossarm with two Westinghouse marked LEDs. Got a traffic light here temporarily to help sort traffic over there. In the middle here we have an unmarked base, a Westinghouse crossarm. Actually it's a Mackenzie and Holland crossarm. There you go. Looks like a Westinghouse. I've seen 3 of those so far today. 2 Westinghouse marked LED lights. These are brand new, as you can see there. Brand new light. The symbol's a little bit smaller and the numbers are new. And then you've got 2 old incandescent lights. And there's the other new Westinghouse LED. Sorry about that car. A unmarked base, a Westinghouse Gate Mechanism, the one and only Safetran Type 3 e-bell on a metro line that is only here temporarily as like part of the upgrade for level crossing removal, a Wishbone Gate, 3 Artcraft gate lights, a really long Wishbone Gate, and it just skids past the new bridge as it raises. That's that signal though. Over here, another unmarked base. This one's a little bit different from the other one though. 2 very new Westinghouse LEDs again. I'd like one of these, to be honest, maybe when they remove it. And 2 old ones with another Mackenzie and Holland crossarm. And then crossbuck, 2-track sign, and a pole finial. Then lastly over here, just I think it's a Westinghouse signal base. Yeah, Westinghouse signal base. Westinghouse Gate Mechanism, Wishbone Gate with 3 Artcraft gate lights, a General Signals e-bell, 2 unmarked Westinghouse Incandescents, and a Westinghouse crossarm. Sorry about the sun there, guys. And then a pole, and then up at the top, a marked Westinghouse LED and an unmarked Westinghouse LED and a Westinghouse crossarm. So one of the lights has fallen, as you can see, but yeah, no, they don't really care about it because this crossing's being removed. So that's crossing tour, and yeah. There you go. The only one and only Safetran Type 3 on a metro line with a Western Cullen Hayes gate mech. And the gate barely fits up beside the bridge. Just gonna get as close as I can to the Type 3 eval here, guys. Staying behind the line with the new LEDs here. Oh god. I have one of these at Wallam, but on a metro crossing, none. Not sure where the train's coming from. There it is. Now to stop. And I can move here so I'm not in the way of cars, as the gates barely miss the bridge. Here we go, guys, about to activate. Coming from behind you and partly in front. About to see this gate mech bounce. Whoa, very close to the road there. Will we get a half up and then back down? Yeah, nah. They're staying down. Very brand new Westinghouse LEDs here, ready for crossing removal as an upgrade. Here it comes. And then, bye-bye. As the gates raise, bye. Anyway, that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. As a reminder, this is the Manchester Road level crossing on the removal list in Mooroolbark. As you can see, the bridge above me has already been installed. Not completely, there's no ramps on each side, but the bridge over the actual crossing is existent right now. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.